This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Caravan engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can significantly improve your vehicle's engine performance and fuel efficiency. You'll be surprised how easy it is, often requiring no special tools at all, just your hands and a new filter. Let's get started and breathe new life into your minivan's engine. First, pop open your Dodge Caravan's hood and secure it. Look for the large black air filter box, typically found on the passenger side of the engine compartment. You'll see 3 metal clips around the box. Simply unclip these by pushing them up. Once unclipped, lift the cover and pull it slightly towards you to release any rear tabs. Now, you can easily remove the old, often very dirty, air filter. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to inspect the inside of the air box. Wipe away any dust, leaves, or debris to ensure a clean seal. Now, compare your new air filter to the old one to confirm they are the same size and shape. Carefully place the fresh filter into the air box, making sure it sits flush and is properly seated along all its edges. This ensures optimal airflow. With the new filter in place, it's time to reassemble. First, align the rear tabs of the airbox cover with their corresponding slots. Gently lower the cover, ensuring it fits snugly over the new filter. Then, push down and snap all 3 metal clips back into their locked positions. Double-check that everything is secure. Finally, close your hood and enjoy the benefits of a clean engine air filter, like better fuel economy and smoother operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.